Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today I'm here with the part 2 of the topic pregnancy. I have already done what is pregnancy and about the first trimester of the pregnancy. So I will link down that video in my description to watch if you want to watch and grab some knowledge or want to know a little bit more about pregnancy. So that I will link it down in my description and I will mention it on the iCard also for your info. So today I am sitting here and will cover up the second trimester. Now, as you know, the whole pregnancy is of 36 to 40 weeks. So we have already covered the first 12 weeks. Now we are jumping on to the 13th to 28 weeks. Now, a lot of things happened in the first pregnancy, a lot of changes happened, a lot of additions, a lot of subtractions, a lot of things changed. But in the second trimester, what basically happens is a lot of your changes will not be permanent, or I would say, like, if you're vomiting, maybe the vomiting may reduce or increase. If you were not sleepy, you may feel sleepy, or you may not feel sleepy still again. You didn't feel like eating certain things in your first trimester, but you felt like eating them. So these are certain things which will keep changing, and certain things may just get permanent. Like basically what things I would say are the things which will be fixed is your nausea, morning sickness and vomiting and fainting kind of a thing. So these things, if you don't suffer too much with these things in your first trimester, I don't think so you will suffer with these things in your second trimester. Basically, this is my personal experience also, like, and a lot of people say also, but I'm a person who doesn't like listening to random different people. But this is something which I have experienced. So it may reduce, it may increase, but generally it reduces. So that is this is the second trimester is the most, I would say, the easiest trimester, because a lot of the major changes have already occurred, everything, and your body had adjusted. Now you know how to deal with them. So now you are happy-go-lucky person. It's a nice time. You will smoothly take out your time in your second trimester. Now, now there are certain things which will in your internal body system will start happening, is like your abdomen will expand as the baby is growing. Definitely it has to expand, then only it will be correct. So your abdomen will increase, and by the end of the second trimester you will feel your baby is moving. I would not say that it will kick you, but then you will feel something is moving, and that when you feel that there's something moving in your body, that's your baby, nothing else. So because baby is almost grown, hands, legs, everything, after like 20th, 19th, 18th, after 18 weeks, generally the body's whole organs, everything are fully grown, and your baby moves, and there will be certain days when you will feel the baby is moving whole day, because that's the initial stage, and you cannot control this, and you will like it, you will enjoy it. And at times you will feel as if, if I would talk in lame terms, then you will feel that as if, so there are some butterflies in your tummy, or there are rats running in your tummy, on lame terms if I say. So that kind of a feeling is like different, you like it. And certain days you will feel there's no movement inside. If that is the thing, if that day comes and if you feel the baby is not moving, please go and show it to your doctor. I'm not saying it's a matter of very high concern, but it can be a matter of concern. So if any day you feel your baby is not moving, like if your baby started moving, you already noticed it, and after that it stopped in between, not moving, then you can go to your doctor, tell her, she will guide you accordingly. That is all up to your doctor. That I'm not going to get into your details, because that's between the doctor and the patient, and your doctor knows your body, and the doctor, after seeing only, can tell you what is happening. So go to your doctor will help you with it. So the movement starts. It's the very nice feeling. Your husband, you tell your husband, and your husband is also very happy. Definitely your husband cannot see the movement part, because that's not cannot be seen on your tummy. That happens in your third trimester. You can definitely see your babies. When the baby will kick you, you can see the footprints and you can see a lot of things. Baby moving, you can actually see it. So these things doesn't happen in second trimester. These things will be more seen in your third trimester. So what are the changes which can occur during this phase? I've made notes again, I'm telling you, so I'm just going to look down a bit. So what will be the changes as your baby is also growing during this phase? You will have body aches, like you will have back aches, you will have little cramps in your legs, you can have a headache, you can have a backache. So don't be scared. These things happens. For these things, what you have to do, drink lots and lots of water and ask your doctor. Like my doctor told me to drink, from start only I'm drinking a lot of water. So I generally don't face with backaches or anything, but there were days in between when I was feeling a little bit of backache. So I realized why, because I was sitting wrong. Like never put a pillow and lie down half sleep. That's not a right position, because your baby is growing. You need to give a flat space to your lower abdomen to be fully relaxed, so that your baby is also not congested, you are also not congested. So need to give that space and sit properly. Don't sit like normal, the way I'm sitting now, for a longer duration. Stretch your body, be in a lying position, or put your legs on top on certain pillows and sit normally. Give little space to your body. Don't congest your body. That's one thing. You can avoid some backaches and all. If you're working, if you cannot take the load on your body while working, stop working. Give a break. You need to first be healthy, deliver, then start working if you want to. But if you cannot, I'm not saying people who work cannot deliver, or I have seen ladies who have worked till the 9th month also, but that means they can take it. But if you cannot take it, don't push yourself, don't force yourself. Try to be as relaxed, as stress-free you can be during this time, because in the second trimester, there will be, after 19-20 weeks, your body, your baby starts, listening to you, because ears are fully formed, listening to you, whatever you talk, whatever your emotions are, whatever you're thinking, baby listens to you, knows what you're feeling. So you have to be happy, not stressed, and keep yourself away from anxiety. That's my personal thing. Keep yourself away from anxiety. There are another changes, like stretch marks will start appearing on your belly. Then belly, hands, breast, any places, now whichever thing is growing or increasing in size, definitely belly, you will get stretch marks. So my advice would be, it's an advice, it's a suggestion, all up to you. You should apply stretch mark cream. Like I try Mamaearth and Palmer's. They both are good. Mamaearth is thicker, but for summers I feel it's very thick. Palmer's is good. So both the things are good. Even bio oil is there. So what you should do, not wait for the second trimester to apply this thing. Start applying this lotion from your first trimester itself, because you may start seeing your stretch marks in your first trimester also if you tend to get a belly, start getting belly faster or increasing weight faster. So, and please don't scratch your tummy, because you will feel itchy. Don't scratch any places. Either you can just be gentle with your hands and just rub it, like you can just massage it like this, but don't scratch it. By scratching it, you're making it worse for yourself. But I'm not saying that if you apply the cream, the stretch marks will not come. They will come, but they will not be permanent, I'm assuming. So at least you can just reduce them by using this kind of a lotion, and anything you can do that, but don't take any medicines for this. No medicines to be taken during your pregnancy without the prescription of the doctor or anybody suggesting you outside this world. Don't. So stretch mark is a concern. I know that's the major change in a girl's or a woman's body. So that is something. Then there is one more very important thing you'll notice, that your skin around your nipple areas will be getting darkened in your second trimester. It happens. It happens. So don't be scared. Oh my God, what is happening? That's natural. It happens. Then there will be itching in your abdomen. Like I said, stretch marks and itching will start. Don't do. That is why you apply that lotion. It avoids itchiness also. Like I never get itchiness because I apply the lotion in the morning by default. Last is like you will end up getting swollen ankle, swollen foot. That's not with everyone. That is what I told you. Whatever I'm telling you, it's not compulsory. It will happen with you also. But these are some common things which keep happening. If you get swollen feet or anything, ask anyone to just give you a gentle massage on your feet, anything. But don't massage your back hard. You can take a move, just rub it, that's it. Don't massage your body during your pregnancy. Foot and all you can get massaged. That will give you a little relief. And to avoid this pain, you can have a lot of water, or you can have an electrol. That my doctor suggested me, that if you have cramps, just have a little electrol. Not because of you having cramps, you can have it वैसे भी, not every day. Have it like week में twice. You can just mix it in a big bottle and just drink it. Your body is sorted. So you'll not get those painful cramps. So that is one thing. So these are the things which will be added to the first trimester, but there are a lot of things which will reduce. Now what happened during my thing? Now in my first trimester, I used to sleep in the afternoon for 2 hours. The time was fixed. That was like 12:30 to 2:30. After that, I will not sleep only. Automatically my eyes will open. But now I don't sleep in that time also. So I get up like 7 o'clock in the morning and I straight away sleep in the night at 9:30 to 10 o'clock. That's the fixed time I sleep in the night, and then I get up early in the morning. That's like something which has changed from my first trimester. Eating habits still same. I don't like eating non-veg. I tried eating non-veg. I ate one day and I couldn't sleep the whole night. So I knew that maybe my body is not liking it. Maybe my baby doesn't like it. So whatever it is, and it is never said that whatever you don't eat now, your baby will not eat. Nothing like that. It is temporary. These changes are called I will not be able to pronounce this word. These changes are, in lame terms, I would call it as temporary changes. They are not permanent. So if you're a non-vegetarian, you will be a non-vegetarian. This is like only for time being. And anything addition? No, I have not added anything to my, maybe 1 or 2 things like in my eating, like some things I used to like to eat in my first trimester. Now I've stopped eating those things because I don't feel like, yeah, there's one thing, like I used to eat a lot of oranges, and till date I was eating, but now that orange quantity has gone down and apple has come up suddenly up. So this is something. So these are some minor things which just go up and down, but nothing major. So second trimester is going to go really smooth. Just chill and relax. And maybe your tummy would start just coming out. Your baby will start kicking. So just be happy. Enjoy this moment. Click some pictures. Make a nice album to show it to your baby. That's what I'm doing. And be active. Go for evening walks. Yeah, this is the only one thing which I'm not doing, evening walks, because I just don't feel like going for a walk. So what I do, I generally, in my own house, I end up doing everything by myself, like not the household. I don't do all that stuff. But then if I have to pick up something, if I have to cook, if I have to do anything else, I will get up and do it. I'll not ask anyone to do it for me because I know I'm not walking. At least these are the basic normal things. If I do, there will be some movement in my body. All that I do, a little bit of stretching exercise you can do home. You will be happy. You will like it because you have to just give that relaxed notion to your thing. So this is what second trimester is all about. It's the most fun, filling trimester. It's the most easygoing, and just be with your husband, be happy, have some good time with him. That's it. So I hope this helps you and know much better what happens in second trimester, because in second trimester your baby is fully grown, like all the organs are grown, and now you need to eat and drink properly. Your appetite may just go up because baby is increasing, so obviously the appetite will also increase. So don't be scared. Eat, but eat right. Whatever you think is not right for you, don't eat. Yes, I will be coming up with the video where I will tell you what you should eat and what you should not. Not so I would not say much, but what you can eat best during pregnancy. That video will be coming soon, definitely. So that's it, girls. Give a thumbs up if you are liking this series, and soon I will be coming with the third one, and we'll finish off at least the week portions, what happens. So take care of yourself, be healthy, and keep watching. Bye bye.